So recently I went through all of these GQL instances for the GraphQL Apollo client. Right now I'm just trying to extract all of these different or all of these different mutations into their own variable so I can consolidate them similar to the way that I have feature IDs and form IDs. So for all of these, I'm just going to do a search for GQL backtick across the code base, open that in a find window. And generally the thing that I want for all of these is to have the files in regular or normal named. I want to normalize the names of these files so they're more consistent. The way that I'm going to do that, just to make it a little bit easier, is I'm going to create a TypeScript file called GraphQL nodes. And then I'm going to go through each of these and add an export. So 0I export. It's times like this that I really like Vim because I can just go to the start of the line and press dot to re-execute the last command. It makes things a lot easier. So theoretically, if I used Git more intentionally, then I could go through the changes that I made in the last batch of changes and then iterate that way. But I don't really mind right now. The normalization effort that I've been going through isn't being done on a team, and I don't need to justify the decisions that I'm making. I don't technically need to. I'm still trying to, because being able to communicate the reasons why I'm making certain decisions is a good idea. Just in general, being able to communicate motivation and direction is important. Where is this? So I don't know why these... Oh, I see. It's in order of the name of the file. So now I'm going to go through all of those, and in GraphQL nodes, I'm going to just mention them. I'm going to create an array. This is not going to be the way that I do this in the future. Asset query, delete concept mutation. Scene, login, untag. tag concept mutation, create event mutation. So that's 32 results. If I go 31 down, theoretically or presumably, those are all of the queries that I'm looking for. Now what do I want to do? Well, let's see. For now, I want to commit this. Actually, cool. So I created a new branch, GraphQL refactor in the frontend repository, and I'm just going to commit this so I can keep track of the changes, consolidating queries and mutations. So next I'm going to rename all of these to be a little bit more consistent stylistically. I'm going to go with the Hungarian notation again, loosely.